When planning for the distribution of your estate, deciding how to allocate personal property in an estate can be one of the most challenging and emotional tasks. These items often carry significant sentimental value, and conflicts can arise if the process is not handled with care. I'm Daniel Hunt, a certified specialist in estate planning, trust, and probate law. In this video, I'll share some practical steps to ensure your personal property is distributed according to your wishes while minimizing potential disputes. 1. Create an inventory of personal property. Begin by making a detailed inventory of all your personal possessions. This includes items like jewelry, artwork, furniture, family heirlooms, collectibles, and other tangible personal property of value or sentimental significance. Document the following of each item: description of the item, approximate value, location, and any relevant history or significance. An inventory ensures that no items are overlooked and provides a clear starting point for the distribution process. 2. Determine ownership and value. Identifying whether the property is solely yours or jointly owned. For valuable items, consider getting an appraisal to establish a fair market value. This is especially important for equitable distribution among beneficiaries. 3. Communicate with your family. Discuss your intentions with your family members. Transparency can help manage expectations and reduce misunderstandings. If possible, involve your loved ones in identifying which items hold sentimental value for them. 4. Write a letter of instruction. While your estate plan will not include an inventory of every piece of personal property, you can write a letter of instruction to your executor or successor trustee specifying who should receive specific items of personal property. Unlike a will or a trust, this document can be updated at any time without the need of formally amending your estate plan. Be sure to place a copy in your estate planning file. 5. Consider equalizing value. If one beneficiary receives an item of significant monetary or sentimental value, you might offset this by allocating other assets or funds to other beneficiaries. This approach helps maintain a sense of fairness. 6. Label items or leave notes. Some people choose to label items or leave notes specifying their wishes. While this is not legally binding, it can guide your family in understanding your intentions. 7. Disputes in advance. Anticipate potential disagreements and address them proactively. For example, you may wish to have beneficiaries draw lots or use a rotation system and take turns choosing items. You'll also want to appoint a neutral party and have your executor or successor trustee mediate decisions. 8. Use a trust for high-value items. For valuable personal property like rare art or collectibles, consider placing these items in a trust. This allows you to specify conditions for their distribution and may provide tax benefits. 9. Document everything. Ensure your wishes are clearly documented in your estate plan. Your will or your trust should explicitly state how personal property is to be handled. 10. Review and update regularly. As time passes, your inventory, relationships, and preferences may change. Review and update your estate plan periodically to reflect these changes. The distribution of personal property is a deeply personal process, but with thoughtful planning and clear communication, you can reduce the likelihood of conflicts and ensure your belongings are passed on in a way that honors your wishes and values. Working with an experienced estate planning attorney can help you navigate the complexities and create a plan tailored to your unique circumstances. If you have any questions about how to plan for personal property distribution, feel free to contact our law firm.